Hello everyone, welcome to episode 2 of Learning SQL, the WHERE clause. In episode 1, we talked about selecting specific columns of data from our tables. And in this episode, we're going to talk about filtering rows from our results set. So let's jump in. In episode 1, we selected first name, last name, and email from our customer table. And we're going to continue building off that query to demonstrate how the WHERE clause can filter rows. So we're going to add a WHERE clause. And we want to filter down to a specific record in our table. So in this case, we're going to look for a specific record for a Betty White. So to get that record, we can use the logic to say where first name equals Betty and last name is equal to White. Let's go ahead and run that. And now you can see our result set only includes one record for Betty White. And we can combine multiple pieces of logic to get different sets of information. For example, if we look at our overall list of customers, we can see that there are a few specific last names. We know there's a Betty White. We know that there's Smith and Johnson, for example. So let's say that we want to return Smith, Johnson, and White, people with those last names. We could say where last name is equal to Smith, or last name is equal to Johnson, or last name is equal to White. Let's go ahead and execute that. Now you can see that we return 3 records because using the OR statement, our logic, only one of them needs to evaluate to true to be returned, versus the AND, where both must be true. So you can use AND or to combine multiple pieces of logic to return the result set that you're looking for. Additionally, you can use parentheses to order operations. For example, if we want last name to be equal to Smith or first name to be equal to Betty and last name equal to White, now the logic will evaluate as such. We can either get last name equals Smith or Betty White, combined first and last name. Let's execute this statement. And you can see that we get Mary Smith and also Betty White, because we can combine certain sets of logic and order that logic using AND keyword or keyword, as well as parentheses to put it into order of operations, just like math. I hope you get a chance to play around with it, try a few more tables, a few different combinations, and test yourself. Until then, we'll talk soon.